Alright, so here we are in the next video. This is the daily to-do list. This part of the package, as I said before, is number 6. So let's take a quick look and go over what this says here. So it says here the daily to-do list. Alright, so mail your postcards, 100 postcards a week. If you want to use this plan to do 100 postcards a week, Monday, mail 10 postcards, Tuesday, 10 postcards, Wednesday, 50 postcards, Thursday, mail 20, and Friday, mail 10. And Saturday and Sunday is a day off. Now, if you wanted to mail 200 postcards per week, you'd mail 25 on Monday, 25 on Tuesday, 100 on Wednesday, 25 on Thursday, and 25 on Friday. If you want to mail 1,000 postcards, you mail 25 Monday, 25 Tuesday, 900 on Wednesday, 25 on Thursday, and 25 on Friday. And last, if you want to mail 10,000 postcards a week, mail 1,000 on Monday, 2,000 on Tuesday, 6,000 on Wednesday, 500 on Thursday, and 500 on Friday. Now it also says here that if you have the means and you have the money, unlimited budget, everything that was done here, do it in reverse, which basically means I think you can start with the 10,000 postcards a week and then gradually start going down. Or if you can't do 10,000, start with 1,000 postcards and start gradually going down. But basically saying, do everything in this list in reverse. If you can afford it, start off mailing 10,000 postcards and then go to 1,000, 200 to 100. The key is to be consistent and always be in the mail no matter what. Do not quit even if you're not getting fast results. Keep at it and let the postcard marinate. It's in the tender juices for a moment. Folks won't be able to forget about it after they see that they are the only one making all the money. They'll come running. It works every time. If you can't afford that, then start off with 100 postcards per week plan. Obviously, the more you mail, the better the potential results can be. Results are atypical and not guaranteed. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on to the next part of the list, which is number 7, which is the mailing list secrets.